So, if you own a 7.3 liter gas engine and it's kind of surprising that the sound from this exhaust at a warm idle is really quiet. If you're parked in like a garage, you can hear it a little bit. And it is really odd that, and like I said, Fords are kind of these F-250s with, the 6.2, 6.8, whatever, they're kind of quiet at idle. But I think and like I said, I don't plan to do this, but you see that resonator right there? There's a little resonator right there. And I think if that was removed, or if it didn't come with it, I think the idle would be a lot better. And like I said, I think if you removed it, I don't think it would mess anything up, I'm not going to do it just because, like I said, I've had a bad experience doing exhaust before. Now I know this is a little bit different, but I just not ready to take that chance. But it would be cool if they didn't have that little resonator, because I think it would make the idle a little bit louder, kind of like GM's 6.6 liter LAT gas engine, because that doesn't actually have a resonator. This has multiple resonators on it, but also it's a bigger displacement, so that might be part of the reason. But the 6.6 gas only has a muffler and 3 catalytic converters and no resonator, so that's kind of interesting, and it's a little bit louder than this. But I thought I'd share that, and let me know what you think. So yeah.